Welcome to Tang News. Today we are covering two major developments that highlight Tang's expanding reach and capabilities. Tang's listing on Gemini represents major milestone for global adoption. This development means both retail and institutional investors now have secure, regulated access through one of the most trusted US exchanges. As an NYDFS regulated trust company with operations in over 70 countries, Gemini expands Tang's reach well beyond Telegram's ecosystem, providing fiat on-ramps, secure custody, and enhanced credibility for institutional users. This listing strengthens Tang's US presence, boosts institutional confidence, and positions Tang as key infrastructure for scalable payments, DeFi, NFTs, games, and broader Web3 economy. In ecosystem development news, we also have a significant marketplace launch to report. Major has launched a new on-chain marketplace that transforms how users buy, sell, and collect gifts within Tang ecosystem. The platform offers payment flexibility using Tang or Major tokens, supports multi-transaction capabilities, and provides listing bonuses for sellers. Users can access all on-chain gifts in one location, participate in offers and auctions, and use smart filtering to find specific items. Operating within the Major mini app with no commissions, the platform maintains full on-chain functionality without intermediaries, ensuring security and transparency. These developments demonstrate Tang's growth across both institutional adoption and ecosystem functionality. Both the Gemini listing and Major marketplace are now available to users. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates from the Open Network. See you soon.